Hi guys, this is Liz. I'm going to show today the vegetables in my garden. In this garden bed, I have some cabbages, tomatoes, here's a volunteer garlic plant. I noticed that this cabbage has sun scald, so after lunchtime I use burlap or sack to protect them from too much heat of the sun. I'm quite puzzled because this area is not getting much sunlight as where the other cabbages are. These are the cabbages that I was talking about, that they're getting sunlight from the morning till like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They're doing good. There's my broccoli. I think this is just starting to form its head. White cabbage. Oh, rather, white cauliflower. Lettuce. Another white cabbage. More lettuce. In a week or two, we can start enjoying the bok choy. Rhubarb. I hope these two gold raspberries survive. And the sweet peas above. Lettuce were planted at the bottom. Napa cabbages. Purple cauliflowers. Lettuce. Broccoli. More broccoli on the top. Pepper. Cabbage. This vertical planter is full of different vegetables. Strawberries. I wonder why those elephant garlic plants are not doing well. More strawberries. Another strawberry patch. At the farther end are the blackberries. Blackberry patch. There are little fruits. I really like this dwarf variety. They're quite productive. Lots of fruits. That is one huge artichoke plant that has 6 flowers. I think this one is ready to harvest. Smaller plant. Red Caroline raspberry. I have 2 artichoke plants in that area there. The asparagus patch has been giving me lots of asparagus, so I have freeze most of them. Planted potatoes in containers. This one is flowering already. It contained only one seed potato in that container. So 6 dwarf variety of the okra, and the rest are the onion sets. Eggplant. This is patio eggplant. I have 3 dwarf tomato plants. This one is the grape variety. I think this one is the regular size. For sure, these are the regular size tomatoes. Red and orange bell peppers. Sweet banana. Carmine. Pimento. Peperoncini. Snackabelle. And shishito. Black Beauty eggplant, and the classic variety. I have to replant the garlic in this pink planter because the one I planted in autumn died after the January winter storm. So what I did, I bought garlic and then put them in the fridge for 4 weeks before planting. They're looking good. I have radish, kohlrabi, spinach, beet. What is this? Turnips, and lots of carrot plants. By the way, I also have celery. Last year I did not see any flower from this raspberry patch. Oh, I see a fruit, and it came from last year's cane. Oh, I see a flower. That one is a flower, also from last year's cane. I'm going to harvest some vegetables today. I'm also going to harvest this too. Get some broccoli. Oh, I need scissors. Sweet peas. Still getting some asparagus.